Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that what happened when you repost on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, what happened when you repost on TikTok? First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now I am going to repost this video. Click on the arrow and you can see here repost. Click on this yellow mark. Your video will be reposted in your account. Nothing will happen when you repost, just you have to click on profile and that reposted video will appear in your posted list. That was all. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.